During these challenging times, we turn to nature for comfort and respite. When we are able to hear clearly the birds trilling and singing, our surroundings appear restful and safe, soothing our hearts and our minds. We establish a connection with nature and our spirits are restored. Let us allow the birds to sing their songs, soar freely, and thrive without threats to their existence. Let us recognize and treasure our wonderful connection and fortify our resolve to continue to protect and conserve our precious biodiversity. This World Migratory Bird Day, let us sing, fly, soar like a bird. Mawit, lumipad, sumalumbay, gaya ng isang ibon. Salamat po.